This 2001 Toyota Tundra is brought to you by Auto Gallery, Chicago. State Route 5 Access Cab 4.7L V8 engine, automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive system, cruise control, power windows, power door locks, gray exterior, gray interior. Please feel free to call us 630-628-1400 with any question you might have, or ask us for detailed walk around way. Hope you are next satisfied. Online buyer at Auto Gallery, Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2001 Toyota Tundra State Route 5 is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery, Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery, Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also reserve the right to withdraw, terminate any vehicle listed for sale. Thank you. Visit us at AutoGalleryChicago.com.